Okay, we continue curve tool, and I want to explain sub curve tools. For example, I draw a curve here, and for example, you want to delete some part of these curves. You can do lots of it. You can add a point here, trim it, or as simple as way is here, delete sub curves. If you select it, you have to first select the curve to edit, and then you can select the start point detection and the end point. And it just keep, if you select that, as you can see, it deletes this part that you selected. It's very easy. Or for example, you want delete from here to here, it's delete. You can do it like this. This is an sub. Another thing is extracts sub curves. It is for this is an, as you can see, this is an just open curve. We need a poly curve for that. Here you can select a tool, select this segment that you want to extract it. If you want, you can copy it or change the layer, and here just click, and then right click, and after that you can separate it. Okay, this is nice. Or you can just one piece. If you explode it, explode all the part. But if you want to extract just one point, you can use this tool, and then copy in the right click. And yeah, another insert line into the curve. Select the curve, insert line, and here we can select this and then click. It's just cut and connect them by a line. It's very simple and straightforward. Okay, subcurve and done. Another tool. Yeah. Okay, another tool here is just subcurve. If you select the subcurve, select it. The subcurve, only the subcurve names is for shorten the. For example, you want to, it's vice versa for delete. If you select here to here, it just keep this part that you selected. Okay. For example, if you select it, you can freely in this direction, or you can lock the direction just in this way. You can lock it or unlock it. Another interesting is it's from you can mode shorten or just mark it in its settings and from the midpoint. For example, here we have this is a midpoint, for example, for this curve. The middle points from a single length. Okay, you can select the sub, select the curve, and from this midpoint, if you select from midpoint, as you can see, it's a mirror or symmetry. The your click and drag, and you can just keep this part. It's vice versa of, it's exactly vice versa of that. Delete. Delete. You can delete selected part. It's keep the selected part. You can shorten it. You can lock it direction, or you can create it from the middle point and mirror it in both direction. That's it. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.